Now that we know what is Agile, how is it different from Waterfall, let's start looking into how we as an organization become Agile and how we as individuals, means how we can change our mental models, mindset, so that we can comfortably work in Agile environments, Agile software development methods, how to use them, and what should be my behavior as an individual, and how in an organization we should be working together collaboratively and work in Agile environments. Let's look into this now. For us to become Agile, we need to change our mindset. What is mindset? Or mental models we call. They are nothing but our deeply ingrained assumptions, generalizations. Sometimes we form picture and images in our mind that influences the way we work, how we understand things, and how we look at the rest of the world. And we take actions basing on those influences. These are mental models. These drive our behaviors. Look at Waterfall way of working. The Waterfall way of working we have been using for over 4 decades, and we are attuned to those behaviors and those kind of mindset. Now, how can we go suddenly and work in an Agile environment? It is difficult. So we need to unlearn and learn the new way of working. That is what essentially is a shift in the mindset, which is a paradigm shift for making Agile successful. So if we go with a wrong paradigm or a wrong mindset into an Agile development, it's not going to work for us. For example, look at the Mumbai city and the Delhi city. If I am from Mumbai and if I am going to work in drive in Delhi, can I use Mumbai map and drive in Delhi? It's impossible, right? So the mental models are like that. If I am going with the mental model of Waterfall into Agile environment, I am going for a failure. So we need to change our thinking, mental models, and follow Agile way of working. We will look at other traits to make Agile successful.